Okay, so we just got our first ever COVID test, which we got so that we can go to Hawaii safely. And Dylan made his nose bleed because he's an overachiever. I was just like barely. So we get the results in 5 to 6 hours, which is way better than what I thought. I thought it was gonna be 24 hours, so that's awesome. And hopefully they come back negative.
And now we're still gonna go home and pack.
Yeah.
I did just get done skating, so I was kind of a little anxious about coming here because I was gonna be super sweaty. But yeah, it's been nice to have just a few days off to kind of get ready before vacation. Just kind of like rest, reset, relax. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna go home and pack. Check out the skate footage from earlier right here.
We just got to the airport parking lot and we see the bus. This is our Jeep for the next week. We are in our rental. We have the vibes going.
Hoodie on still for some reason from Hawaii.
The airplane.
Got the pre-check wristband even.
Yes, never taking it off.
We spent pretty much the entire day traveling, 10 hours on an airplane and then another 1 hour drive up to the North Shore. So we were tired, but we were definitely hungry.
We decided to try out Seven Brothers Burgers for our first meal in Hawaii. It was a restaurant that I had heard a lot about when researching Oahu, North Shore, and it did not disappoint. We got their famous burgers and headed back to the Airbnb to rest up for the next day.